Namaste dear all, welcome once again to my YouTube channel Suhas Entertainments and Cultural Activities. So today we are here taking up a series of Saraswati Stotras, Devi Saraswati Stotras composed in various poetic meters. So already I have covered Saraswati Vamshasthavali Stotra and then Saraswati Malini Stotra. That is Vamshasthavali and Malini Chandas we already covered. So today we are taking up Upajati Stotra, that is Sri Saraswati Stotra composed in Upajati Chandas. Very interesting, very melodious. As usual, those who already know, well and good. Those who don't know, I am giving the lyrics on the YouTube screen. You can please take snapshot and mug up this wonderful stotra and start reciting this every morning and evening during Sandhya Kala and reap wonderful good benefits. So that is it. Here I go. Sri Saraswati Upajati Stotra. Mala Sudha Kumbha Vibhoda Mudram Vidya Virajat Karavari Jatam Apara Karunya Sudam Burashim Shri Sharadambam Pranatosmi Nityam. So we will recite this melodious stotra once again. So you can enjoy the devotion also. Mala Sudha Kumbha Vibhoda Mudram Vidya Virajat Karavari Jatam Apara Karunya Sudham Burashim Shri Sharadambam Pranatosmi Nityam. So wonderful. So we'll just examine the chandas now. In the upcoming video, I'll give you the verbatim meanings as well. So, but today, here in this video, we'll confine to examine the chandas. So that is it. I told you this is in Upajati chandas. Upajati is nothing but alternation of Indravajra and Upendravajra. Here in this stotra, we can clearly see that first three lines are in Upendravajra and the last line, that is the fourth line, fourth padam of this stotra is composed in Indravajra. So we will just examine how it alternates Indravajra and Upendravajra. So we will take up the first line again. Mala Sudha Kumbha Vibodha Mudram. So what it says? Mala Sudha Kumbha Vibodha Mudram. So Mala Su, we are getting a 010, that is Ja. And then Da Kumbha, we are getting 110, that is Ta. And then Vibhoda, we are getting again 010, that is Ja. So Mudram is 11. So we are getting Jata, Ja and double guru, that is 010, 110, 010 and 11. Obviously, this is Upendravajra Jatajastato Gau. That is the Sutra of Upendra Chandas, Upendravajra Chandas. So clearly it is Upendravajra. Then again the second line, Vidya Virajat Karavari Jatam. Again it is Upendravajra. Then third line, Apara Karunya Sudam Bhurashim. Apara Karunya Sudham Burashim. So this is also 010, 110 and then 010 and 11. That is also Upendravajra. Fourth line is unique. Suddenly it switches over to Indravajra. How? We will just examine. Shri Sharadambam Pranatosmi Nityam. Shri Shara is giving us 110. Radamba is giving us 010, that is Ja. Then again Pranatosmi, Dambam, Shishara, Dambam, Shishara, Dambam Pra. Dambam Pra is giving us 110 again. So Shishara is 110, Dambam Pra is 110, Natosmi is 010. So, and then Nityam is 11. So here we were getting a different picture. There is 110, 110, 010 and 11. That is nothing but Syad Indravajra Tatajas Tato Gau. So here we are getting Ta, Ta, Ja and Gau. double guru. That is it. So fourth line clearly it is in Indravajra. First three lines are in Upendravajra. So effectively it yields as Upajati Chandas. That is it. Because the combination of Indravajra and Upendravajra, wherever you see clearly it will be Upajati. So that is the explanation. So those who are not getting me, please call me on 87623311815. I am taking special coaching classes and wonderful and amazing Sanskrit devotional stotras, etc. So that is it. We will chant this wonderful stotra once again and wrap up this video. Mala Sudha Kumbha Vibodha Mudram Vidya Virajat Karavari Jatam Apara Karunya Sudham Burashim Shri Sharadambam Pranatosmi Nityam. So this is Suhas Debes signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Jayanagar, Bangalore 11. As usual, all those Brahmins worldwide who wish to avail my matrimony services for a nominal cost, please catch me direct on 87623311815, 87623311815. My number is coming on the YouTube screen. In the next video, we will take up again one more wonderful stotra, Devi Saraswati stotra, composed in Shardoli with Kridika. That will be a rare stotra indeed. Until then, bye for now. This is Suhas Debes signing off for Suhas Brahmins Matrimony, Bangalore 11. Thank you. Hari Om Swasti. Jai Shri Ram. Namaste.